Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cynthia Nurhayyani. Here I am from the first group. Will be presentation about our material. The chapter is guidelines for writing scientific proposal and undergraduate thesis. Okay, before we start our presentation, let me introduce all participants of my groups. The first is me, Cynthia Nurhayyani, as the moderator and the first presenter, and the second is Devi Widyasari as the second presenter, and the third is Ainun Sukmawati as the last presenter. The first, I will explain about the introduction. Introduction is contains the information needed by the reader in order to understand the paper clearly. Okay, introduction have 7 sections. The first is background of problem. Background of problem that is arranged systematically with regard to phenomena and problematic problem under study. Okay, and the second is statement of problem. Statement of problem is a brief description of the problems to be handled. Okay, the third is objective of study. Objective of study is explain the study aimed at finding out. Okay, the fourth is significance of study. Significance of the study is expected to be used theoretically and practically. Okay, the fifth is hypothesis of study. Hypothesis of study is research problems previously. Okay, the number 6 is scope and limitation. Scope and limitation is the study limited of subject and object investigation. Okay, and the last and the 7th section is definition of key terms. Definition of key terms is to explain and clarify the key terms used in the study. Okay, I think enough. Sorry for our mistake, and let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Devi Widyasari. I will continue the presentation from Cynthia Nurhayyani. Okay, I will explain about chapter 2, which is about review and related literature. This chapter present about some related information topic of the recent study. The content of Chapter 2 would like to take quotes from several sources. They are included with the writing of the footnote in accordance with guidelines for writing scientific and undergraduate thesis in EIN Metro. In this research, the researchers intended to provide some theoretical concept which could support this investigation. The discussion is presented under the following subheadings. The first, theory of a lot, using of a lot, the nature of a lot, the related study, concept of reading, aspect of reading comprehension skill, the related study, the role of background, and the last, theoretical framework. I think enough from my presentation will be continued by Ainun Sukmawati. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Ainun Sukmawati, the last presenter, and I want to explain about the chapter 3. Chapter 3, which is research methodology, there is a method of study, population and sample, instrument, technique of data collection, technique of data analysis, and the last is hypothesis of testing. The first is method of study. Method of study is a technique to analyze and to find the best way or the method to complete a job. And the second is population. Population is the entire research subject consists of humans, objects, animals, flora, test score, or events of data search that have certain characteristics in a study. And the sample is part of the population that can be reached and has the same characteristic as the population taken the sample. And the next is instrument. Instrument used to participate, measure the variable under study, then explain in detail how the instrument is designed and arranged in accordance with the indicators that have been set, so that it can be present in the form of an instrument, metric, or grid research. The next is technique of data collection. Technique of data collection is the process of collecting and inserting information of the variable of interest subject in a systematic way that allow one to answer questions from the test, conduct this hypothesis, and evaluate the result. And the next is technique of data analysis. Technique of data analysis is outline the tracking and regulatory process, systematic interview transcript. And the last is hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is research, take a score of the experimental and control student by conducting a pretest and post-test and calculating their average value. Thank you.